What's up guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like an unboxing of some phone cases that were recently sent to me, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some wallpapers that I think match both these phone cases really well. As I know in my past what's in my iPhone videos, a lot of people commented saying that they like watching those kind of videos to see what wallpapers people have. So I decided to kind of search the web and find some really cute wallpapers that I thought match these phone cases. I don't really know what else to say. But yeah, really quickly before we jump into the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. You can also hit the little bell right next to it, and that will notify you every time I drop a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, you know, for more iPhone-esque videos. Okay, let's just jump into this video. So recently a brand by the name of Bento Bin, I really hope I'm pronouncing that right, if not I'm super sorry, but they decided to reach out to me and send me 2 of their phone cases to kind of review and share with you guys on my channel, and I thought that was super sweet of them. So thank you guys so much for, you know, sending me these cases. You guys didn't have to do that, but that was super nice, and I'm already in love with them. I only got them a couple days ago, but they came in the mail, obviously, and they were both in these like cardboard boxes, which I already thought was like a step up. I thought, for whatever reason, I thought they were just gonna be like in plastic wrapping, but they came in cute little cases to help protect your phone case, and then they just had like this little slip that they were in, as well as this little styrofoam piece to kind of fit in your phone case, just so like it wouldn't get squished. So these are the 2 that I decided to go for. They're both purple, which is why I'm wearing this purple shirt today to kind of like match it. I don't know why, but recently I've been super obsessed with purple, so when I saw these on their website, I like immediately had to have them. They were so cute. So these are the 2 phone cases that I decided to go for. This is the glitter phone case, and then this is just the slim one. They're both for the iPhone 6s Plus, and I've got them both in a purple because I don't know why, but I've been like super obsessed with purple recently. So this one is a little bit, I don't want to say bulkier, but it is a little bulkier, but I'm totally okay with it. To me, like a bulkier phone case just means it's going to protect it more, and it kind of reminds me of the Wildflower phone cases. This has like a very similar shape to it, which like made me like love it. As soon as I opened the packaging, it was so cute, and it's also not super gritty. For whatever reason, because it's sparkly, I thought it was going to have like that gritty texture, but it's super soft, so there's some type of like film over it. And then this one has more of like a soft touch, almost like, not like a rubbery, but it's just softer. Does that even make sense? I don't know. But this one's a lot more slim, so if you don't like anything too bulky, I'd probably like steer you towards these phone cases. So they come in a bunch of different colors, different patterns. There's some different styles depending on what phone you have, so definitely just make sure you order the case for your like appropriate phone. So these phone cases claim to be scratch resistant, drop resistant, and shock proof, and I definitely believe that. They definitely feel very high quality, especially this one. It comes in 2 pieces actually. The top is just like the plastic design, and then underneath it actually has like the rubber phone case, which I'm assuming is supposed to help a lot with like the shock resistant, to make sure your phone doesn't like crack or scratch if you ever drop it. And then I do find more so with this one, but this one does a little bit as well, it kind of like comes over your phone screen, if that makes sense. So like if it were to fall flat, it's not like the screen that's hitting the ground, it's kind of like the outer rim of your phone case. So I think that adds like a little bit more protection. My dad was the one who actually pointed that out. I didn't realize until he made that comment, and I mean, that makes it even better, you know, more protection for our phones, because I am the most clumsy person ever. I drop my phone a million times a day. So these will definitely help me out in the future. So this one, it's a lot simpler, but I thought it was really cute. Sometimes I don't want my phone case to be like too busy, and then other times I want like flames and checkers all over them. There's really no in between, but this one's really cute. It's just like a lavender purple, and then it has like a darker purple on the outside. I'm gonna have cutaway clips so you guys can actually see what they look like up close, but I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Bento Bin for sending me these phone cases. That was really nice of you guys, and I really appreciate being able to test out products on my channel to share with you guys. I think that is super cool. So I'm gonna have them all linked down below. I'm gonna have these 2 phone cases that I picked, as well as their website, if you guys just want to kind of check out what else they have to offer. They also have phone accessories, tablet accessories, things like that, so definitely check them out. So moving into the second half of this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some wallpapers really quick that I think match these phone cases really well. They look really cute together. So this first one, also I'm going to put it up right here, so hopefully future Haley's able to edit that in. So this one is just kind of like a blurred rainbow purple sky kind of look. This one's really cute. I have this as my homepage because it's really simple, so it's not too busy. This next one I think would be really cute for like your lock screen. It just says Dreamer and these neon lights, and it's like a purpley blue. Super cute. I think the original one was pink, but I love that This one is like more like blue slash purple toned. This next one is actually what I have as my current lock screen, and I'm obsessed with it. If you guys know, I love dinosaurs. Jurassic Park and Jurassic World are so good. Favorite series. And this just says chaos is what killed the dinosaurs, darling. And I believe this is a movie quote. Don't ask me what movie it's from. I don't know. I googled it to see where it was from, and I do know it's from a movie. I just can't off the top of my head remember the name of the movie. But I thought it was super cute. There's like a little raptor on the front, and purple. It matches this phone case specifically super well. Love it. This next one I think is actually the background that I had in my first What's in My iPhone that so many people commented on, but it's just this really pretty kind of sunset or sunrise, I'm not sure which, with like mountains in the background and clouds. This one just has a slightly different filter on it, I believe, than my previous video that I had filmed. This one is super pretty. Again, I'll link all of these down below so you guys can get them if you want. And then this last one is nice. Again, I think it matches this one a little bit more because it's a little bit more of like a bluey purple as opposed to like a strong purple. Does that make sense? Like a true purple. But this says not cute, just psycho, because relatable, you know? I mean, except the cute part, but like psycho, yes. Okay, so those were all the wallpapers. I hope you guys liked them. They're all from We Heart It. I think We Heart It is a great site to find like super unique backgrounds or just pictures for your Instagram feed. I think they're super, super cute. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, don't forget to hit that little red button and subscribe down below. That way you'll never miss my face. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Again, thank you, Benjamin, for sending me these cases to test out. I'm going to be linking them down below, so guys, definitely check them out. They're awesome. I'm already obsessed. I want to order more. I hope they come out with like more designs, specifically for like fall or winter. I think that would be really cool. I would definitely order more. And yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.